'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear.
Bw'abadde akulembeddemu okusabira omubiri gw'omugenzi George Wilson Kanyeihamba, ono nga yaliko omulamuzi mu kkooti enkulu eya Uganda, Ssaabalabirizi w'Ekkanisa ya Uganda Dr. Samuel Stephen Kazimba Mugalu ayogedde ku mugenzi ng'omusajja abadde ow'ekyokulabirako eri essiga eddamuzi ssaako ne bannamateeka.
He inspired many judges and lawyers. We are reading his history, and he has empowered the bench and the bar.
Ku ludda lw'Obukristaayo, Kanyeihamba ataddemu amaanyi mangi n'ensimbi mu kusaasaanya ekigambo kya Katonda.
But also in the Christian circles, he made a significant contribution towards the building of St. Rugarama Cathedral in Kigezi. Let us appreciate him. He was very instrumental in mobilizing resources to support the spread of the gospel. Reverend Canon Byalugaba is here, he can bear witness since he comes from Kigezi.
Ssaabalabirizi akubiriza abakkiriza okutumbula abaana abawala kyenkanyi wamu n'abaana ab'obulenzi olwo nno basobole okumalawo obutabanguko mu maka.
But you know, we must empower the girls, but we leave the boys behind. Who will take these girls? We will create domestic violence for nothing. So as much as we do advocacy for girl child, don't forget the boy child. Because the boy child who is left behind will be the husband of this empowered woman. And then you have domestic violence in the home.
Kanyeihamba abadde mulwanirizi wa ddembe kw'ono ssemateeka w'eggwanga wamu n'enfuga egoberera amateeka.
As you remember, this man who has done a lot of work to ensure there is justice, to ensure there is truth, to ensure that the rule of law is followed. I want to draw your attention to God.
Wano Dr. Kazimba asabye abakyala obutalwanyisa butonde bwabwe nga bennyeka mu kizigo mbu beeyerusa.
There is no greater color. Every color is important. You women, don't fight your black color. By you trying to crush it, you become white. You are an African. Black is beauty. Why are you fighting it? Appreciate yourself. Appreciate the way you are. Don't even try to fight your size. Be yourself. Like for me, I like this size of Arsen because I keep it.
Ensonga y'okusosola mu mawanga nayo Ssaabalabirizi emuwunyira ziizi.
Let somebody have the freedom of supporting his or her party. Every party is there for us. We should respect one another. Why should we fight? Surprisingly, even people of one party are fighting each other now. Why are you fighting?
Ssaabalamuzi wa Uganda Owinyiddolo ayogedde ku mugenzi ng'omusajja abadde ategeera amateeka era amanyi ky'akola era eyali empajiruwaga mu kubaga ssemateeka wa Uganda.
Not good. I am calling upon you as we send off our brother. Let us have the inward looking into our souls to see what should I do for Uganda? What should I do for my church? What should I do for my people? Don't have fight because this one comes from north, another one from west, central, east. No. We are all God's people. We are created by God. And we need each other regardless of different religions. Nothing. Regardless of different parties. We should love each other regardless of different tribes. Because the creator of all tribes is God. He will judge us. Ask your neighbor, are you hearing what the Archbishop is saying?
Minisita wa tekinologiya n'okulungamya eggwanga Dr. Chris Balyomunsi amukkaatiriza ng'omusajja abadde teekkiriranya era ayimirira ku kigambo kye.
A straight talker, somebody who talks straight, fearless and courageous. Yes, I see signs of approval. Principled, sticking to his principles. whatever what, but a principled man. I see approval. Truthfulness. Okay, the same as honesty, but being truthful. Some people, but Professor Kanyeihamba was truthful in the way he handled public life, even private life. Correct?
Omukolo guno gwetabiddwako ebikonge omubadde ababaka ba paalamenti baminisita ssaako n'abakungu okuva mu ssiga eddamuzi neeyaliko Ssaabaminisita wa Uganda Amama Mbabazi neeyaliko Ssaabaminisita wa Uganda John Patrick Amama Mbabazi Nakabuye Vonita yakusakidde emboozi eno ku Promise TV alipoota leero.